I'm 1810 First Ave North here in Seattle. Date is December 7th, 2021. I am running this camera through the clean out, 4-inch diameter clean out, just off of the property line, off of the sidewalk here. Looking at the Seattle City main, I've got the footage zeroed out on the camera. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the side sewer line. Coming back into 6-inch diameter clay. We're slightly offset out there at the main with a root coming in at the top of the pipe. There's a seam in the pipe approximately every 2 feet, and that is where the roots come in. A pretty good root intrusion.
All that roots on the side?
Yeah, and that's a big old root. See, the pipe is shifted slightly. That's just because the root's pushing down on the pipe. And it's actually messing with the structure of the pipe itself. Another pretty massive one there. We're just creeping probably 30% of the pipes open. Coming through a couple of sections of clay. I can't tell if we shifted diameter. I think we shift diameter right there. Yep, 4-inch to 6-inch. Right there. We're going to call that 32 feet of the original clay piping before we come back into this 4-inch diameter clean out. There's the clean out I'm making this recording from, and the video there.